Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson number 45a. Purpose of the revelation of the Quran, second part. We have studied A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Kitabun anzalnahu ilayka mubarakun liyadabbaru ayatih. And the last part is وَلِيَتَذَكَّرَ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ. وَلِيَتَذَكَّرَ, and so that they receive admonition. Ulu, uli, those of lub, means heart, mind or intellect. Plural is albab. Ulul albab, those of understanding. And so that those of understanding receive admonition. That is, that they take lessons, to listen to the advice and to implement it in their lives. Therefore, to receive full barakah, we have to do tadabbur and tadakkur, ponder and take lessons. Let us look at our relationship with the Quran. It is direct, personal, planned and relevant. Direct, I should feel that Allah is directly addressing me. He sees me, how I react to His words. It is personal. For every verse, I have to see what is there in it for me. Why did Allah address this to me? And it's planned and relevant. If I hear Surah Qaf in Isha today, then it was written in my fate before even I was born, and it is relevant to what I will think and do today. There are many aspects of tadabbur and tadakkur, but here is a simple method for a common man. Study the verses repeatedly with understanding. Study brief commentary or tafsir if available. Use your imagination to visualize what is stated there. For example, when Allah talks about the heavens or the earth, try to visualize them and feel, recite with feelings. For example, recite the ayah about Jannah with hope and about hell with fear. And lastly, the 4 steps: ask, evaluate, plan and propagate. Ask, extract a dua from the ayah and then ask Allah to help you implement what you are asking. For example, for the verse of this lesson, we say, "Oh Allah, help me do tadabbur." But just dua is not enough. Otherwise, it will be like a student who prays to Allah for success but does not go to school nor studies any book. Therefore, evaluate. What have you done so far regarding the work related to dua? For example, how much time did you invest last day in tadabbur? And plan. For example, how much time will you give for tadabbur every day? So depending upon the message in the ayah, we can plan for different types of worship or about morals, good dealings, working as a team to spread good things, etc. And here's an important note. When it comes to group of fiqh issues or any new idea, please check it with scholars before you practice it or tell others about it. And lastly, propagate. Because the Prophet ﷺ said, "Ballighu, convey, anni, from me, walau ayah, even if it is one verse."
وَلِيَتَذَكَّرَ,
and so that they receive admonition.
أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ,
Those of understanding.
وَلِيَتَذَكَّرَ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ,
And so that those of understanding receive admonition.
That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.